Yo, 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 this next mix goes out to the homie Price, man. He requested that I remix a song from the new movies Twisters, and it goes a little something like this. Let's go!
I keep chasing that same old devil down the same old dead-end highway. Riding that storm run through my veins like a shot-down tailspin airplane. I'm scared of nothing and I'm scared to death. I can't breathe and I catch my breath. But I keep chasing that same old devil down the same old